We're outside with the fam. Gotta get ready for the Mother's Day event. So yeah, we're shop up all the things right now there at Publix. Yeah, behind the scenes. Me and baby there. This is the first look into the spot. Want to say we're fully unlisted. Right?
Show the bathroom.
Show the bathroom. Watch how. Oh my God. Watch it. Oh sheesh. And wait, we got like a view, a tinted view here. So, oh my God.
Where are you?
That hard. We could look outside, but it's tinted so they can't see, but we could see there. Bad. Bad.
They can't even see one with the baby.
Watch the nice beds. We got a thing. We get a complimentary Copalli.
Got 2 beds.
Shit.
This bed might not be for you, Mama. This one might not be for you.
Okay then, good.
Don't know we have to share a bed.
Up. Until we get big, then we have to share no more. Rent on the road.
Our own money. We have to make our own money.
So yeah, this is the vibe right now. We probably got other guests boat. We don't know who they are on deck. We see the Copalli gift shop. You dig? Me and baby come back out. I have to go back to the car still.
Fly and gift shop. And I never and a Sprite.
This is our Shirley Temple. This is the most popular drink here.
Pick up yourself, her name, bro.
Well, video right here.
Alright.
Yes, man.
Original PG man, though?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Yes, man, rich. Yes, man. I have to rate that PG, so yeah, let's bring the family now.
Cool.
Wife and the kids.
Oh, mix it. Mix with cherry.
I give you a welcome drink.
With cherry, ma?
I give you a
With cherry?
ginger boat. I got you a ginger boat.
This is our Copalli liquor too?
This is the most ordered drink, so I got that one. I asked you which one was the most ordered. He said this one.
How in
Ginger boat.
Ginger buck.
Ginger syrup. Lime. Barrel rested.
Barrel rested, no?
Rested, yes.
I'm lean for man.
Yeah, Copalli.
Fully.
Rum, yes.
Ah,
Gold rum.
straight out of PG.
Yes, sir.
Big up my Bale Waluko for me. Big up my Bale.
Waluko, best ballet of the PG right here. We manager.
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Big dog.
Big up Waluko.
Yes.
Respect from. The man done clock off?
I think so. He's still in the office.
Where the man located?
Ready? The office is ready.
Right round the corner? Okay, good. And if you see the man, baby, we are hold this. We can't holler at the man. Right round the corner. Oh, I forget something about the vehicle too. I'll keep the key. Let's go then. Think they're right down.
Yo.
Go check in at the boss because see the boss.
What do you want, man? Cool.
Oh,
Welcome. Good. What's up, boss?
This almost could be your uncle because me and he have so much brother like their uncle. Somebody young in Louis, some oldest family, next one in Christian, he more state. They're by mama's side right now.
What's your name again?
That Christmas Junior right there.
Go give me a book.
See he plug all the Louis more social and active. Louis I say what up, he get straight to the swing.
Bless.
Yes, I got.
Yes, I.
Big up my bro too.
Enough respect there, West. Thanks to pull through. Copalli Tree Lodge, heart of the rainforest, yeah, so. Glad to have the PG brother back in town. So yeah, we just want to big up everybody. and PG.
Man, brother, spot say
Eh.
I don't know. Man, so far, love little bro. Like,
Bless man. Good. Watch out in the morning. You're gonna love it. In the morning, you're gonna love it.
Celebrate your PG. I never come up here.
You
I
think?
know you invite me and tell me pull through all the
Eh.
time, but I guess not I got time.
Watch it.
Time,
In the morning, I love it. The kids I love it too. Yeah. Carrying upstairs, you breakfast, watch the hummingbird and they fly while they eat up.
Right there, son?
Yeah. Right upstairs, yeah.
Monster choc cake.
Yeah, they already asked about you, baby, so I guess they're gonna do something special for you guys.
Unlisted. Yeah, they give all you nicely birthday thing at the restaurant and thing.
Ooh, that's so big and that's so sharp.
Auntie, I wish you were here. Auntie, we wish you were here, Auntie. We love
Auntie,
you.
wish we were here, Auntie.
Auntie, we wish you were here.
Yes, but next time you're coming with us, Aunt. You're coming with us next time. Christian and Louis say so. Say yes, coming next time, Aunt.
Yes, coming next time, man. Yay! It's coming next time.
Yay!
Mom, how are you?
Lifestyle moment. Lifestyle for real, dog. Man, this is our lifestyle for real.
So big.
I can't believe. Watch out.
Watch your baby, baby.
Watch out.
0 to
Watch out.
1, you know, baby.
Watch all of this here, so. And most importantly, all of this here, this costs a lot of money. All of this here expensive. All of this. But family priceless, see? I got my family here more than anything. Look there, I have my son and my wife. Look here. We have all of this stuff. We got all of this. We got all of this here. You know?
Okay,
I think we need more towel.
Dear Christian Senior, Tifara, Louis, and Christian Jr., on behalf of the entire team, I would like to welcome you to our lodge. We are honored that you have chosen to stay with us and look forward to providing you with a memorable experience.
My name is.
If you need anything during your stay, our team will be pleased to assist you. Just call our front 211.
Guys,
Big front.
guys, I want to do it now. Can I read now?
Big front. Big front.
Dear Christian.
Unlisted VAT really out here in these streets, man. On God.
Christian
On this
Junior.
table.
And him.
And look at what we got. Guys, we all got a
Yes.
canister.
These are mine. This have to be mine, right?
Complimentary.
All
Guys,
got one.
big up.
Big up Copalli.
Tree. Copalli tree. Stove.
What fuck?